How to change versions and languages in the Parallel Plus app on iOS. First, tap the three lines, the menu button, at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Then tap Select Versions. To change the version in the first column, simply tap the first one. You can choose from any number of English versions here to read. If you want to read in a different version besides English, tap the language button in gray on the right-hand side of the screen. Now you can choose from any number of languages to read. You can choose Biblical Greek and choose the text that you're interested in. You can also read in a different language, like Spanish, and choose the version that you're interested in, like Reina Valera, 1960. If you want to change a version set, or go back to a version set you were just reading, tap the version set at the top of the screen. If you want to change a column that your version appears in, you can drag and drop by tapping, holding, and dragging. Those are a few tips for changing languages and versions in the Parallel Plus app on iOS.